Good afternoon, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to fix something real simple for tomorrow for dessert. It is called green jello salad. All you need is 16 ounce of cottage cheese, and I've got the low fat. You need some crushed pineapple in the juice, not the heavy syrup, but in the juice. A package of Lime Jello, and I use sugar-free, and Cool Whip, and that's it. So this is a simple recipe. You mix the cottage cheese, a can of crushed pineapple, and again the pineapple needs to be in the 100% juice. So let's get this stirred up. You know, cottage cheese is good anytime with some kind of flavor in it to me. And we're going to sprinkle the lime jello. Makes a pretty color. Stir that together. It called for a small box of lime jello, and they did not have any at the store, so I got a bigger box, and so we're just going to use part of it. Seems like they're out of a lot of things lately. Then we're going to fold in the Cool Whip. Let's get this folded in right quick. Takes just a few minutes to get the Cool Whip folded in. It definitely makes a pretty dish. Okay, we're going to pour this in the dish that we will be using. And when you pour it in your other dish, you'll definitely see if you didn't mix it up good enough, because I see a darker spot. There we go. All done. This is edible just like it is like right now, but if you put it in the refrigerator it will firm up, and to me it's better when it's colder. But it is so light and so fluffy. Just a simple green jello salad. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel and give me your comments. And this is so quick and so easy. Anybody could make it this morning, and when you got home for lunch, all be cooled and a little bit firmer, because it's nothing but cottage cheese, crushed pineapple, and your whipped topping, your Cool Whip, and of course your jello and lime jello. A very tasty treat. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come back to see me. Bye.